After my last video, I got this comment about light leaks and I promised an update, and here it is. To avoid the light leak, I printed these rails here and I put these rails in there and the second one as well, and then it worked out, but that was not enough for me. In the background, you see a glimpse of my upcoming renovation video. I'm working now on that one for about 4 months, I think, and I promise you that 100-year-old Kodak 2D Cyber Beast will be awesome. There will be lots of fun with lots of cool stuff like woodworking, 3D printing, new innovation, and magnets. So subscribe or whatever you can do on the platform you're watching this.